So my name is Claire de Jacobi de Vellen and I work here at Calix as the R&D plant coordinator. I do a whole range of tasks. For the most part, I'll work with members of our R&D team. They'll come to me with requests to run trials in our R&D plants, and I'll make sure that we have all the details we need for those so we can run successful and safe programs here on site. I chose to join Calix when I was graduating from university. I was looking at a whole range of different jobs and companies, and Calix just stood out to me straight away at the time without knowing too much about it, but it just seemed different. The sustainability focus was quite apparent to me, and then when I came for my interview, I just really loved the culture of the team on site here, so it was a really easy decision for me. I think it's to know that the work you're doing matters and it does have a positive impact. I love working with my team and I love seeing them work well together and successfully and achieving something as a group. I think what motivates me at work is just knowing that working with a passionate group of people that really all care what they do and being able to celebrate those wins together is always a really nice moment. So when we get those, it kind of pushes you to keep going. The ability to work across so many different projects, so many different industries and applications, so I get a little taste of everything, which is really exciting, especially for someone like me who's at the start of their career. My favourite project would probably have to be the recent ZESTY program. Working with something that's not as straightforward, has sort of a higher risk profile as well. It's just been a great challenge and really rewarding as well. My team's excellent. There's just full of intelligent, motivated people, really talented, especially for their time in their careers. Yeah, they're just great people to work with. It's passionate, is always the first word that comes to mind, but it's so diverse as well. I think I'm very lucky to come to work. I can work with people with PhD qualifications, different backgrounds, both technical and career-wise, as well as different nationalities. And so I just get to learn so much from so many people, and I think the sense of teamwork is just really strong. So out of Calix's values, I always think of innovation. I think everyone's approach to learning is something that's really special, I think, to Calix. Everyone comes to work and they want to learn, they want to find out. When they're presented with a challenge, it's not out of fear, it's more excitement to solve it. I think Calix expects a lot from their employees and their people, but they're equally as supportive. I'm very challenged here. I find that I'm constantly growing, learning, developing, but as soon as I need support, there's always someone there to help me, which is excellent. R&D wasn't something I had considered. Coming from an engineering degree and studies at university, a lot of the time you sort of hear more about industries that are well set up, doing the same thing for a long period of time. It's definitely not something that I ever thought or considered that I would be doing, but I love that every single day, whether it's a challenging day or a really positive, exciting day, it's always an interesting day. I find every single day at Calix is always interesting.